like to wear shirts and pants. And I want to inside also. That's then I am very confident to speak and to do and to work. Also, and I will show you all the shirts and t-shirts. So friends, this is my shirts that when I go outside I wear these shirts. Do you know this shirt? I always wear these shirts for going outside, and I brought this from. I think I brought from this from the Lulu. Oh, sorry. Fine long, and it is very good quality also, and this is very good quality, and also see this this cotton is very good. The next shirt is this. This is grey color, and I have brought from this City Max, and we have buy this shirt from the Saudi. And next one, this is blue colored shirt. I have purchased in the last when we are coming to here. That time, the last time we have purchased this shirt. This is blue color. It is good also, and it shines very good. And this shirt I used for the functions, marriage, and occasions like that purpose I used. And this is brown color also. It is good. And this is red color shirt. I like my favorite color shirt is this one. It is very good also. I always wear these shirts. And do you know that I have brought this from Fine Look made in Bangladesh. And next one, this one. Do you know that I have used this shirt to use this shirt at the challenge of chess in the last Eid. That shirt was this. And do you know this shirt? This shirt is my second favorite shirt. I always wear this shirt. See, this is grey color. This shirt. These two shirts I have stitched from Saudi Arabia. These clothes are very good. I have stitched it for my Eid, when I was celebrating Pizza. And my uncle purchased this shirt for me in the last Eid. It is very good, and also this is from Sand by yourself. Sand company. We have brought this, and this is blue color, and I like also. And this shirt is very good, nice shirt. We have brought this shirt from Fine Look, and also this is very good quality and also shining. My father had purchased these two shirts for my last birthday, my 9th birthday. I like these two shirts. Very good shirts are these. And do you know this is white shirt? It is very good, and I have brought this from Liga Rockets. From Liga Rockets, I have purchased this one. And do you know this shirt? I have wear this shirt for the marriage, like that occasions, functions, and I have brought this from City Max. And this shirt is very good quality shirt also. This also I have brought from City Max. It is also very good. From this also, this shirts change color is this shirt. And do you know this shirt? This color is like an officer's shirt color. I like this very much, and this is very colorful and very cheerful shirt. See this t-shirt? How is it? My last birthday party, my father have purchased for me. It is red color and very good quality also. And the next t-shirt. Do you see this t-shirt? This I have purchased from Fine Look. These all are the Fine Log purchased. My father purchased from the Fine Log, and this also from Fine Log for my birthday party. And do you see this? Sometimes I wear this t-shirts for going to the abacus class. That time I wear. Do you see this t-shirt? This t-shirt, my last birthday, my father have purchased for me. One day for the marriage, I have wear that, and also this yellow t-shirt I have purchased the last time when we are coming to the here from the top 10. And the next this t-shirt, no. This t-shirt I have purchased from Fine Log. This is my favorite and stylish t-shirt. And the next t-shirt is this yellow t-shirt. I think you like this yellow t-shirt. I have purchased it from City Max. It is very good and it is colorful also. And always I wear this t-shirt for going to the party or functions, occasions, or going to the abacus. That time I wear these. And this t-shirt, one time I have wear this t-shirt for going to the marriage, or sometime I have wear. This is the t-shirt that my father have purchased for my birthday. And next one, this yellow t-shirt I have used it for going to the abacus. That time I have wear this yellow t-shirt. And this is the red t-shirt. I told you most of the t-shirts are red t-shirts. That this t-shirt also very colorful t-shirts, and it maintains good also. And this t-shirt you have seen that on the Republic Day I have uploaded a video. That time I have wear this t-shirt. And do you see this t-shirt? This t-shirt I wear more times also from going to the marriage, functions, occasions. And like this t-shirt is the hero t-shirt. Do you like this? This I bought from Fine Log. It's a hero t-shirt. And you have see here a cooling glass also. And also you see here, oh my god, I didn't see this. I have seen, and I have wear for going to the abacus, or when I go to the marriage occasions that time. And I have purchased from the City Max. And do you see this t-shirt? That it is very good t-shirt, and this is also called as hero t-shirt. I have purchased from Sweethearts. And do you see this? I have purchased from Fine Log, and it is black color, and it is very cheerful and colorful. Yeah, you can only see that. All the time I am wearing this red t-shirt when I go to the marriage, occasions, functions, party, going to the abacus. That time I wear these red t-shirts. And now we are going to the pants. These all the pants are jeans. Most of the pants are jeans. In our market, in this market, we can't get colorful jeans. But in Saudi Arabia, we will get a lot of colorful jeans. This jeans is brown color jeans. This is also jeans, and it is very skinny and also softy. And this I brought from Fine Log. Then next jeans, it's green jeans, and this is also same part. This is the color change of this brown. These two pants are same. It's very skinny like this pants also. From same company Fine Log, I have brought these two pants. And do you see this red? This that time in the Republic Day, these two t-shirt I have wear. So in the Republic Day when I uploaded that, then do you see this? This is also jeans. this is the color change of brown and green. So this is black and fine look. Then this is black color. I think this is not jeans. This is cotton from fine look. It is very good and it is also skinny and softy. Whatever pants and clothes I have purchased, it is very soft and skinny. It's very good and the quality also good. See, in the case of when I have about this national level third rank competition, I have got third rank that time in the jump jump. I have while I was small, that time I have wear this pant. See this is actually original jeans. See this blue and always the jeans is very blue. So this is original jeans blue of dark blue. Oh, it's very rainy. Look there, it's very rainy. And then jeans. This is the sky blue of the jeans. Always, suppose the jeans would be like this. This is the sky blue and this is the dark blue of the jeans. And this also from fine look. Yeah, this is also from fine look. These all are the same jeans only. It's the color changes. And this is the original jeans. See, you are seeing this is very small, but it is size is very correct for me. And this is the original pant. My last birthday, my father brought for me this. And do you think it's very big for me? It don't correct size for me, but it is very good size for me. And this is also fine look. Do you know that you are thinking that these all are variety pants, but that's not variety. All are same and same company, but all are color changes. And the next this is cotton. It's very good. I have used for going to the marriage functions, party, like that, going to the abacus. Then also I wear this and I purchased that from Fine Look. And this is jeans. This is the black jeans. I told you that we can't get any colorful jeans from our market, but in Saudi Arabia we can get. And this is the Fine Look, and it's a black color. Then next, this is the original jeans. When my father have given to me the birthday, there's two jeans. One jeans was here, and yeah, this and this. There's two. And this also black, but this is, I think this is silk, and from Fine Look we had buy, and it's very good also. Black color I like very much. And last dress is black color jeans. See this? How you like? Very good, no? I also once time I have wear this for the marriage, someone's marriage. That time I have wear. So my dear friends, I will give you a tips you can use your clothes long. So first tip is, don't use your rough wash. Please do your hand wash. Then if you are using the rough wash, see, the color will go. The fade will, it will be fade. The pant will fade, and some scratch also will come on the pant. So if you are using the hand wash, the color will be the no fade, no scratch, nothing will be the pants or shirts. You should avoid the rough wash and use your hand wash. So my dear friends, if you are using your hand wash, you can use your old clothes a lot